Today we're going to talk about creating a year and month formula. So that, again, this is big in finance and definitely big in database systems. Sometimes you have a date, but you don't have a YRMO, and sometimes it's reversed. You have the YRMO and not the date. But today we're going to discuss how to create a year and a month from a particular date. So as you can see here, we use the text function that brings in the date, and we give it this format text as a year and a month, and that gives us the year and the month number. So this is a really quick way of creating a YRMO from a specific date. Again, this is usually used in finance and sometimes EPR systems. So I guess you would see this a lot if you get this out of a database system. And sometimes you get information out of a database system, it's a year and a month, but you want to convert something in Excel as a year and a month as well. So this is a pretty quick formula. Again, don't use it all the time, depending on your systems you use. But yeah, it's a very helpful, especially converting Excel built personalized items in Excel to combine it with database outputs.